This video, I'm going to show you how to run Meta ads for clients, right? So if you're looking for ways to get clients ad accounts so that you can manage ads for them, or you want to get access to their page without you having to log into their account, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't make unnecessary mistake or costly mistakes for yourself or your client. So follow me as I do that right now.
So to get started, come to business.facebook.com/overview and press enter. Then you're going to see a windows like this. All you have to do is to bring your mouse here to this part. And you can see this triangle icon pointing down, right? Click on it. You're going to see all your business portfolios here, right? Now, let me make something clear here. Why do you want to actually do this? You don't want to log in into your client's account on your PC, right? Why? Because if anything goes wrong, Facebook can just mark your IP address, ban your account, and even ban your client's account, and probably ban other of your client's accounts, right? So it's going to be a huge loss for both you and your clients. But secondly, you also don't want to use your ad account to run ads for your clients. Why? Because if anything goes wrong with your ad account, if Facebook wake up tomorrow and disable your ad account, all your clients will go out of business, right? Especially if they depend on Meta ads for their traffic, right? So you see, you want to have an individual isolated partner. That means the best way to do that is to get your clients to have you as a partner, to get people you want to work with, right? To have you as a partner. So whether you are a business owner, you want to get a media buyer or a Facebook expert to help you run ads for you, you're also going to find this helpful so that you're going to learn how to give agencies, how to give your employees, how to give other people access to your ad account so that they can run ads for you. Alright, so you want to make sure that you watch this video to the end. And also, if you're a media buyer, you're also going to learn how to get access to your client's account easily, right? Using the partner method, right? So this is the best way you can do it correctly. So make sure you follow this. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't make any costly mistake. Right. Once you come to this place, click on this triangle icon here to select your business portfolio. As a media buyer, the first thing to do is to send your ID to your clients, right? Your business ID. How do you get your business ID? It's very simple. Very simple. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me just assume this is my business ID. The one I want to use to run ads for clients. I will click on it. Again, to come to this place, just click on, let me close this. Come to business.facebook.com/overview. And then click on the drop down here, right? Then click on your business portfolio, the one you want to use to manage ads for clients. Click on it. Once you click on it, then bring your mouse down here. You're going to see a gear icon. So click on it, right? You're going to take it to your business settings. Or if you can't find the gear icon at the top, once you come to your business portfolio, just click on these settings here. You're going to take you to this Windows too. What do you now do? You click on business info. As a media buyer, you go to business info, which is this one, the first menu here. Then you copy your business ID and you send it to your clients. Right? You send it to your clients or the person you want to run ads for. Right? As a media buyer, the person you want to run ads for, you send it to your clients. Right? Now, you're not going to, once you send it to your clients, you're not going to tell them to follow this step, or you can just send this video to them, right? You should go to business.facebook.com/overview, right? Like this with screen. You should go to this screen. Then they should select their business portfolio, the one they have the ad account on. Alright, just make sure that they select the right business portfolio, the one they have the ad account on, especially if they have a lot of business manager like me, right? But most of the time, they might just have one or two. So direct them to click on the right business portfolio. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to assume that this business portfolio is my client's business portfolio. Right, it's the one that I'm going to use to give me access as a partner so that I can have access to their assets. I can have access to their Instagram, their ad accounts, and use it to run ads without me having to have their login details or risking using my own ads account to run ads for their business. I'll click on this now, right? Now I'm not acting as a business owner or as your client now, right? Or as an employer that want to give people access to run ads for me. So once your clients come to this place, again, once they come to business of Facebook.com/setting, if you click on this settings icon here, you're going to take them here, alright? So once you take them here, if you click on this time, you don't have to click on business info, right? If you click on under users, if you click on partners, right? These partners here, the middle one, not people, but partners, so that they can add you as a partner. So click on partners, right? Then please don't put anything on this search box here, right? What you want to do is to click on add, tell them to click on add, or just send this video to them to follow this step, right? So that they can add you as a partner, so that you can now run ads for them, right? Or if you are a business owner watching this, just follow this step now to give your Facebook ads guy, your media buyer, easy access to run ads for you, right? All you have to do is to ask them for their business ID. So click on this ad now, then click on give partner access to your assets. So I'll click on it. Now I'm not going to paste the Facebook ads guy ID here, right? Or let's say I want to run ads for you. This here you now paste my business ID here so that I can have access to your business portfolio and I can now start running ads for you. So you're going to paste my business ID here or your Facebook ads guy business ID here. And you click on next. Right, good. As you click on next, you want to select the page you want to use to run ads, right? So let's say this is the page. I'll just select this page. I will now click on full control under here, right? Note I did not click on any of them. I just scroll down and I click on full control. Very, very important. Now, once you as a business owner select the page you want to give me access to run ads for you or any of your Facebook guy, the next thing to do is to click on add account. Then you're going to see all your ad accounts on your business portfolio. Most times I just have only one. So I'm just going, let's use this as an example. I'm also going to select my ad account I want it to have access to. So I'll click on full control. Once I select that, I'll now come to pixel. If I have a pixel, then I will do the same thing to select the right pixel and click on full control. Then Instagram account, if I want to do that too, I can click on this. I click on full control 2, right? Yeah, that's it. Once I've selected, the most important thing here is Facebook page, ad account, Instagram account, right? In fact, even though you don't select Instagram account, as long as the Facebook page is linked to Instagram, you can still use your Instagram. The most important thing is the Facebook page and ad account, right? Once you have selected these three stuffs and pixel, if applicable, then click on assign partner. When you click on assign partner, you're not going to see a success message that says successful. You have successfully added God bless agency. You're going to see my business name, right, shown on your screen. You're going to see a success screen. Just click on OK or continue, right, and you are good to go. Right, I don't have to assign this here now. So if you just click on this assign asset, it's going to assign immediately, right? And you are not going to have, and the media buyer is not going to have access to your ad account and start running ads for you on your behalf, right, in a professional level. So that's how you do that. You have already done this part, and you forget to add one after. Let's say you forget to add page, right? You forget to add page. How do you not do that? You can still do it manually. Let's assume as you're adding the media buyer access to your ad account to run ads for you, right? Okay, let me just show you now. They forget to tick page. They just click only ad account, right? Full control, and they assign you only ad account. Don't worry, don't panic. You can still get it. But how do you do that? You come to other accounts, right? You as a business owner or you as a media buyer, you direct your clients to come to pages. And click on the right page. Let's say this is the page. Then I will click on assign partner. The reason why this is not clickable because I am not the one that have this ad account, right? As a business owner, you're able to assign a partner to someone to manage your page, right? Once you click on assign partner, paste their ID and follow the same step, you're able to add them. Right? This is how you can add them individually. Same thing to your ad account. Let's say you forget to add them as an ad account. Select the right ad account, then click on assign partners, then paste their ID and follow the script procedure. You are good to go. Now, once your client has done all this as a media buyer, you will now have access to your ad account. But there's one thing you still need to do. Right? Let me show you. Now, let's say your client have done all this, they have pasted their business ID and had you as a partner. The next thing you want to do is to come to, okay, let me use this as an example now. Now, this is my business ID, right? The client has added me as a partner to manage ads for them, right? Now, all I have to do is to go to add accounts, right? Now, this is the page now. This is the add accounts half here, right? Yes, this is the last thing. After they have added, now step one, you are going to get your business ID and send to clients. You are going to add you as a partner, right? Then step two, your client is going to go to these windows, they click on partner and paste your ID and add you as a partner. That is step two. Now, once that is done, you still need to do the last step, which is step three. Now, as a media buyer or as a Facebook ads guy, go to your business portfolio. Go to your business portfolio, go to your business settings, then go to ads account and look for the client business name. Let's say this is the client's business, this is the client's ad account that just added me now. I will come here, other ad accounts, I will come here, click on the client's ad account, and I will click on assign people, and I have to assign myself so that I can start using it to run ads. So I will click on this, click on full control, and I will assign myself. If you don't do this last step three, you won't see it. Look at it. Assign people to have. Now I have assigned myself. I cannot start using this client's account to run ads, right? Once that is done, that's not all. I will still go back to the pages, right? Once I go to the pages, I will look for the client that just recently added me as a partner. So this is the client that just added me as a partner. I will also click on once I go to pages here, I will click on assign people. This one you are just assigning yourself again so that you can have so that you can start using it. I'll click on assign people. I'll click on my name. And I will scroll down. I will click on full control. And I will click on assign. Alright. Say done. Now I can now start using this my client's page and how I can run ads, right? Let's say assuming this client also added me let's say this client also gave me access to their WhatsApp. I will still come to the WhatsApp account, right? I will look for the WhatsApp number. I will click on assign people and also assign myself. So that's how you do it. That is the 30 step. Now let me refresh you so that you can see what I'm telling you. Now you can see this business now. I can now start using it to run ads immediately. Right. Let me show you the assets now. Let me come to all tools. Let me come to ads manager. I'm going to show that the ad account is going to be reflecting here now. Look at it. Look at it. I just added because I just followed step 3. Assuming I did not follow step 3, I would have been able to add them. Before now, we have only 3 ads accounts in this business portfolio, but now it's now 4, right? Which is this one. This is the one I just added now, which is step 3, right? So if you don't understand, just watch. So if you want to get the best value in this video, I recommend you watch this video again so that you get to understand it clearly, so that you don't make any costly mistake, right? And I trust you have gained value in this video. If you have gained value in this video, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
Now, if you want to learn how to run Facebook ads step by step, so that you can get good results, you can get stable results and consistent results for your clients, click on this video showing at the top of your screen to learn how to run effective Facebook ads, right?